It is no exaggeration to say that it is unwise for you to loaf your life away. It is quite a matter of total waste of your time. Momentarily, I'd like you to sniff this beautiful air. One of the things I'd like you to philosophize as a matter of important survey as follows. Do you surely understand the importance of this moment? With or without recognition of this moment as a matter of the utmost importance, you have the totally different quality of breathing. For you to breathe meaningfully in doing any of activities, you have to keep concentration. To concentrate upon what you are doing should be essential. Without concentration, you do not understand the significance of perpendicularity. Now you are here. You are making unflagging efforts every day. You are doing so in this locality. Of course, you wish to be higher. You'd like to experience some sort of amelioration. Nobody here on this planet wishes to experience deterioration. For you to experience necessary amelioration, what you need first shall be all the time concentration in this locality. What is happening to you if you concentrate upon what you need? You reach higher states. Aim high. Then, of course, you strike high. Through experiencing your concentration, you experience exaltation in your individuality. Exaltation upon exaltation, you reach higher stages little by little. Is it enough? Is it surely enough for you to higher some states? You don't feel it is enough. You are here now in this locality. You have your destination you wish to reach. It is not enough. Now, I'd like you to philosophize the essence of elevation. To be elevated is different from to be exalted. Understanding of elevation gives you an opportunity for it to be little by little lifted and elevated in the sphere of universality. It is very nice of you to philosophize the meaning and its significance of universality. Of course, you need to graduate from having self-centered ego and stereotypes. Through graduating from them, you can free yourself from unnecessary mental bondage. I'd like you to get out of this locality. Together with integrity. I'd like you to experience elevation comprehensively. Through experiencing elevation again and again, eventually, you have your possibility to reach the ultimate. Reaching the ultimate surpasses any of directions in the locality. I'd like you to do your best not to fly off at a tangent. The lecture shall be finished now.